As temperatures drop, keeping your pipes from freezing should be a top priority. Keep your house warm. In the cold weather, fuel oil runs out fast. Make sure your house and pipes are properly insulated. If the cold weather does reach your pipes, they will freeze and could burst when the weather warms up. If the water pipe breaks, it can easily release a torrent of water into your home. Watch for frozen pipes when temperatures drop below freezing. Water stops pouring from your faucets. Water leaks into your basement. If you experience water damage from a frozen pipe burst, call SERVPRO immediately. We are experts in the industry. We have the tools, technicians, and experience to help you recover from frozen pipe water damage. We are faster to any disaster, leaving your home like it never even happened.